This program contains graphic material, including offensive language. Viewer discretion is advised.
One of them ones. I let that last line breathe and take a second to get it. Western road flows, my confidence level getting settled. Don't get hyped for the moment, then start to backpedal. Don't let your newfound fame fool you, cloud up your judgment to talk loosely. I really do this, been flowing stupid since Vince Carter was on some through the legs arm and a hoop shit. Drinking Hypnotic with Glenn Lewis, I been through it. Y'all was so afraid to lay claim to it. Too busy face screwing on waist movements. You was riding TTC Metro, I had the place booming.
So what's up everybody, Retro Niggas here, back at y'all with a new video. In today's video, I'll be doing a restoration on a pair of original Columbia 11s from 1996. As always, I'm very excited to work on this pair, so yeah, let's get into it. So the first step that I'll be doing in this restoration is separating the shoes. Since these shoes are very old and weak and never been worn, I'm able just to take them apart using my hands. So yeah, let's get into it.
Yeah. Draft day, Johnny Manziel. 5 years later, how am I the man still? Draft day, A. Wiggins. Fuck that other side, bitch, we stay winning. Oh man, you know I had to do it for you. You know I had to do it for you.
So I got the shoes completely separated. Now I can start cleaning up the shoes, and to clean them up, you already know I'm going to be using some Reshoevn8r Advanced Sneaker Solution. The reason I'm giving these shoes a clean up is because it's always best to work with a clean surface, whether it's a restoration or a custom. And I also have to clean the soles because I'm going to be icing them out, and that's a step that is required. If you're interested in any Reshoevn8r products, I'll have the link to them down below in the description, and I also have a discount code that'll get you 15% off. So yeah, let's get into it.
Yeah, that's that loud shit. Yeah, I've been out on my latest trip. I've been drunk in my latest whip. So I might crash and ask for real. Hit the club for the cougars. I never got down with the Moors or Martin Luther. I'm just trying to ball while these niggas want me neuter. Got it down to a draw, trying to get a little neuter. They just wanna hang like my nigga Mr. Cooper.
So the next step that I'll be doing now is icing out the soles. To make this happen, I'm going to be using some God of Soul Reviver. If you're interested in this product, I will have a link to it down below in the description. And I'm going to give y'all a tip for icing out soles. Make sure y'all apply a light coat and not a heavy coat. And I also recommend y'all store the sauce in the refrigerator to keep it cool. Alright y'all, so I got another restoration for y'all. Here I have a pair of 2001 Columbia 11s. It's not the OG pair. It is a smaller size and it still is a Columbia 11, so I'm just gonna go ahead and throw it into this video, and I hope y'all enjoy it. And of course, I got something special for y'all at the end, so stay tuned.
My name is Kodak, but you know that already. I don't want the walk, baby, I just want the fatty. Polo to the socks, homie, this ain't Perrielli. Let me get the raw, I'm a ball like spaghetti. It's getting hot in here, the block be hot, no not Nelly. You can keep the Rari, I'd rather have a Chevy. I don't want no head, lately I've been getting Becky. I just want the bread, keep the peanut butter jelly. She walked up to me, I was by the bar, she like hello. She rolled up on me, I was rolling up my cigarello. No, I don't fuck with grab, believe I'm breaking down the elbow. I'm always smoking loud, I can't keep it on the LO.
So the next step I'll be doing now is unyellowing the patent leather. I've been asked many times if God of Souls Reviver has the ability to unyellow patent leather, and the answer is yes. And I'm going to be showing y'all how to do that today. Okay guys, so to unyellow the patent leather, I'm going to be using some God of Souls Reviver. Again, if you're interested in this product, the link to it will be down below in the description. To apply the sauce, I'm going to be using a paintbrush. You don't have to. And whenever you're icing them out, don't leave them out for too long. Leave them only for like 30 minutes. Just watch your shoes. Be very careful with them, because if it's really hot like right now in the summertime, you can mess up your sneakers. And also make sure you do not let the sauce dry out on the patent leather.
That's too much sauce. Protect Philippe the playing with. That's too much sauce. Hermes in the aim. That's too much sauce.
So this is the second session I've put in so far. This right here is the before. I've only worked on one side. Here's the before. As you can see, it's very yellow. And then it starts to lighten up here near the toe. And then when we get on this side, it's much lighter. So yeah, let's keep going.
They let me know before I was famous. I had too much sauce. Audemars heel blow now. That's too much sauce.
Reminisce? I didn't say reminisce. What does reminiscing have to do with sneakers?
Okay, sorry about that, Burger King.
Oh, hi, Jose.
Hi, how you doing?
Pretty good. Yourself?
Pretty good.
So what do you do for a living?
Oh, I'm a YouTuber. I'm actually on my way to a shoot right now.
Oh, YouTube?
Yeah.
Cool. I used to be really into watching restorations.
Oh, you like restorations?
Love them.
Oh.
There's this one guy I was really into watching.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I believe his name was Retro Sniggers.
Oh, really? Wow.
Yeah, I don't really like his videos anymore though.
Oh, you don't?
Nope. Have you seen any of his restorations?
I know his work. Why don't you like him?
He's not posting enough restorations. He's posting these pointless videos in between. Ugh, and have you seen those skits?
Oh, it's crazy though. I've heard a lot of great things about his channel. In fact, I hear it's gotten a lot better.
Better? Please, he done changed. He think he a movie director now. Come on now. It's all about the tennis shoes, not the shots.
I don't think I agree with that, man.
I was on his channel the other day. He did a restoration on baby shoes. Baby shoes, man. What the fuck is that? Well, we're here. I hope my driving was 5-star worthy. Oh, you do restorations? What's your channel name? I'll check you out. The fuck? Well, I guess he was in a hurry.
So in one of my recent restorations, I had issues with the airbag cracking. Because of that, what I had to do was replace the airbag with some silicone. The airbag on these midsoles is popped, and the way I know that is because if you just shake it, you can hear the airbag just everywhere. So what I'm gonna have to do is cut out this top layer of the midsole, and underneath that I will find the cracked airbag. And to cut out that top layer, what I'm gonna be using is this X-Acto knife. So yeah, let's get into it.
Yeah. Lately I've been pulling all these women off the strength. Walk in the club, the DJ got me spinning off the strength. Jump in the game and lately I've been winning off the strength. Ain't gotta chase the money, I just make it off the strength.
So I removed most of the airbag, but there is still some, and to remove it, I'm gonna be using a heat gun.
120 on the dash, and I'm coming down 285. Need me a fat booty, long hair girl who's always down the ride. Top off in the front with her.
So I finished removing the airbag, so now I'm gonna fill it in with some silicone.
You got something that I do want, something that you do got. You so fly, I'll fly your ass, I'll fly you to Dubai. Move around the blue sky, driving a new ride. You so bad you can't come round my necks, 'cause all us thirsty.
So I know y'all can see that icy ass patent leather, man. The next part of the shoe that I'll be working on now is the mesh upper. As you can see, the mesh eyelets are very, very yellow. And the process that I'll be doing to unyellow the mesh, I will not be revealing in today's video. I will go into more detail about it in another video in the future. So yeah, let's get started. So the next step I gotta do now is start re-gluing the soles, but before I do that, I gotta remove the old factory glue. And to do that, I'll be using some nail polish remover and cotton rounds. So yeah, let's get started.
Sometimes I feel like they don't get the bigger picture. Some people in my city, they don't believe the sky's the limit, or they're so content burning trees and popping pills. They don't shoot for the thrill no more. They'd rather deny greatness than embrace it. We all capable of it, but no one believe me. I'm just reflecting back on how this rap shit got started.
Hey yo, my city's always had me conflicted. It's twisted out, my homies treating their bitches. The liquor and us brandy swigging. All our habits hereditary, we lawbreakers. Still underage in America, but boost us up, that's what the bottle do. Not talking Erica, my thoughts get wild. My first words were motherfuck the feds. Mama jammed up when I'm early, when I was just an egg. I laid to rest, hose with my cobra, it's like a bayonet. Wake up and she say we compatible, then I got a jet. Used to be too nervous to show my skill, now they caught the kid. They know Andrea spit poisonous like the oil biz. Got the tools to make a lotus my whip, the tools to birth the monster. Got the charm to get hoes out their VS. I smoke the fattest L's, the more it burns, the less of the cells. The more I burn, it's like I'm entering hell. The more I earn, the more they pray that I fail.
So now I'm on one of the final steps of this whole restoration. Right now I'm prepping the uppers and the midsoles, and then after I've done that, I'll glue the uppers and the edges. So yeah, let's get into it.
Hello?
Hey man, I'm at the park. Do you need me to call you an Uber?
Oh no, it's cool. I already called one actually. He's almost here.
Okay, cool. I'll see you here. Just be careful though. Some of these Uber drivers are crazy, man.
Wait, what? Why did he hang up?
Shoe Hype, hop on in, man.
Oh hey man, how's it going?
It's going good, man. I was just talking about you.
Oh really? That's cool.
Yeah, man, I was saying you're my favorite part of those retro Snickers videos.
Oh really?
Yeah, man, I pay more attention to you than him. Hey man, tell me one of those bar cement jokes.
What?
One of those legendary bar cement jokes. Tell me one.
I don't really got jokes like that.
Come on, man. I bet you have a whole file full of bar cement jokes.
You really think we have a bunch of Bart Cement jokes just lying around?
Yeah, man. You're obviously not running out of content and jokes. Come on, just tell me one. Why am I even guessing that you have any bar cement jokes? I got you right here to tell me.
Hey man, watch the road.
Yeah, man. Sorry about that. Hey, how much to restore my shoelaces?
Oh, you'd actually have to talk to Jose about the... Wait, did you just say shoelaces?
Yeah, man. How much?
I don't know anybody who does that.
Come on. You're telling me Shoe Hype doesn't know where to get his shoes fixed?
That's not what I said. I'm saying...
Man, have you met Morgan Freeman?
What does that have to do with retro? What does that even have to do with shoes?
Hey, man. No need to get all defensive. I'm just a really big fan of yours.
And I appreciate that, but you're asking questions that don't...
Hey, man. What's your favorite tongue on a sneaker? What? How old is the oldest pair of sneakers that you own? What's your favorite non-sneaker, Crocs or sandals? Would you ever change your middle name to Shoe Hype? What happens when y'all reach the end of that bar cement file? Where's your catchphrase, man? Hey, man, do
Please,
you still...
no more. No more.
Dude, do you still have bar cement on your knee? I guess he was in a rush, too.
Oh, no. Did you get the crazy...
Come on, let's go. We got a job.
Hey, Shoehorn, sign this. Oh my God, is Shoe Hype doing a video with Sneakerhead in the Bay?
I'm trying to keep everybody happy, but I just end up hurt. And Lord knows that I'm blessed, but sometimes I feel cursed. I'm trying to understand why all these niggas hate. Cause I be in my own lane, I'm trying to motivate. I wish I could hold 20 in my 30.
DJ Esco, E.T. Esco Terrestrial. More money, more problems. More guns, more violence. I beat a couple cases. I feel like John got it. How about a Benz, baby? I feel like God life. I feel like taking some drink right now and pouring it over my niggas. We ain't never turned down. I'm a big dipper, big tipper. You want it, you buy it, you get it. Cash on the liver, rose on my liver. Headshots for my enemy. She got a money machine clicking, you know how I kick it. Leaving a witness gon' see you in the penitentiary. Wait, he get it, she get it, they get it too. Lay on you, spray on you, hop in the coupe. You didn't know about Molly World till I introduce you. You can be sober as fuck, cause money is gon' seduce you. My hustle is gon' seduce you. My vibe ain't none of these niggas compared to me.
So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy this video, then make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below. And my goal for this video is to hit 10K likes. I know y'all got this. Y'all always got this. And also in the comments, let me know what you think about the skit. I'd love to hear. And make sure y'all stay updated with all my upcoming videos and projects. To do that, just follow me on all my social media accounts. My Instagram is Jose Reminisce, my Snapchat is Retro Snickers, and my Twitter is Retro Snickers. So yeah, thank you for watching this video and have a great day.